guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to add and remove Google extension. So over here you can find this icon. It contains extensions. If you can't see it from here, you click on these three dots and click on extension, manage extension. So these are all the extensions you have on your Google Chrome app installed already. So from here you can remove any extension you can actually add and you can actually activate. So first one is here where you find the details of the extension. This side is to remove. This button is to remove an extension. To ask you want to remove, you say yes, remove, and it goes out. And this one is actually to turn it on or turn it off. So most of my extensions here are turned off. I just click on this to turn it on and it becomes active. And if you click on here, you turn it off. So that is how you turn the extension off. Then you can actually click on remove to remove the extensions over here. So you can actually update any extension you have. Click update, all are all updated. Then you want to load unpacked extension, you can do that. If you want to pack an extension, also do that. And here is actually where you have access to the Chrome Web Store for you to download different extensions you need for your Google Chrome. So you can come here, select the extension you want to download, or you click over here to search. You can discover, you can actually select the extension, choose which extension you want for your Google Chrome. Also select themes from here. Here is where you can choose themes. Like one of these themes, this I'm using is actually a theme that I chose, which is actually just black. This is the themes I'm using here. So that is how you add and remove extension from Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.